In 1979, a young boy named Jadav Payeng from Assam, India, saw dead snakes washed up on the shore of a barren sandbar. They had died from the heat because there was no shade, no trees. He was 16. No one else cared. So he planted a tree. The next day, another, then another. Every day for years he walked to that empty, dry land and planted trees. Bamboo, native saplings, anything that could grow. He carried water. He protected the plants. People laughed. Officials ignored him. But he never stopped. 40 years later, he had grown an entire forest. Over 1,300 acres, now home to elephants, tigers, birds, and thousands of species. He did it alone. No money, no machines, no permission. Just one man, one seed, every day. You don't need a crowd to change the world. You need consistency. Start small. Stay faithful. Even deserts bloom when one person keeps planting.